Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Digital Creations. Today's video editing tutorial, you're gonna learn how to add video inside of a text in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Now guys, let's get started how to add video inside of a text in Premiere Pro. First go to project panel and double click to import video files. I'm going to import all these files. And you can use any one clip in your timeline. So drag and drop this video clip, keep existing setting. After this, go to toolbar and I am going to select type tool and click on the program monitor, and here I'm going to type text. We're just going to increase the text size, and here we're just going to change the font. In this video, I will show you two methods how to put a video inside of a text. So first, we're just going to select our video clip and go to effects and search track matte key video effects and drag and drop this video effect onto your video clip and go to effect controls, and here you'll select matte and here you'll select the video layer 2. There it is. You'll see how easy you can put video inside of a text. Now guys, let's check it out, the next method how to put video inside of a text. So I'm going to copy this text layer and paste it here to show you the next method to place video inside of a text, and that is also very easy. Select the text layer and go to essential graphics panel here, and here in the edit tab you're going to select the text, and here you'll see this little new layer icon. So I'm going to add a new layer, and here you would select the option from file, and there it is. You can select any video file. So I'm going to select this one and import and drag it down and select the text layer, and here downside you'll see there is option mask with text. So you'll see how quickly you can add video inside of a text. Look at this guys. You can add any video file, like go to this new layer icon and from file, and here you'll select this city view, and I'm going to import it and drag it down and select the text, and here you'll see you can import any file and the result is awesome. How quickly you create this awesome text effect in Premiere Pro. Now guys, this is all about how to add video inside of a text in Premiere Pro 2024. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching Digital Creations.